recording the sewer line here at the Skyway Mini Mart. This is about, I don't know, 100 feet out, 95 feet out. Sharp turn in the concrete, and it looks like it's starting to have an issue there, and there's definitely a big lip that I can't get my camera past. So a turn, obviously it's getting some separation in the pipe there, and offset. So this is a video I'm making after jetting, trying to blast these rocks down the line. It's having some minor success, but very difficult to do so from where we're at doing this jetting. There you see some sand in the pipe. Again, we're quite a ways out here. A little bit of rock down there. There's another break in the line there on the left side. Left side of the pipe broken. So we saw again, there's some rock quite a ways out there. That's probably 75 feet or so out. I was able to push it quite a ways, but run into these breaks in the line, and then I'm just pulling more rock and sand in as I'm jetting. Makes it a little difficult. There's a tie-in on the left. Flip us back right side up here. So there's another break there. Having the jetter, having a tough time getting past this section with the hose and the camera. All that is loose rock stemming from just a couple of areas of separation in the pipe. Main one being right there at that turn. Back out of the cast, so we're about 85 feet out there before I hit that turn, or I can't get past. Jetting today from this clean out here in the bathroom, in the back of the Mini Mart. There's the clean out. Alright, I'm going to call it there.